Hello and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send emails in different languages in Gmail. Whether you're communicating with people from around the world or practicing a new language, this simple skill can make your emails more versatile and effective. Let's get started. First, open your Gmail account. Once you're there, look at the top right corner of the page and click the gear icon, which stands for Settings. From the drop-down menu, select See All Settings. This will take you to a page where you can customize a variety of Gmail preferences. Now, make sure you're on the General tab. Scroll down until you find the Language section. Here, look for the link that says Enable Input Tools. Clicking this will allow you to type and send emails in different languages, giving you access to a wide range of multilingual keyboard options. Once you click to enable Input Tools, a new window will appear with a drop-down menu. From here, select your preferred language. There's a long list available, so you should easily find the one you need. After selecting your language, click OK. Don't forget one important step. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. This ensures all your adjustments take effect. Now, let's put these settings into action. Click Compose to start a new email. You'll notice a small keyboard icon has appeared next to the drop-down menu. Clicking this lets you choose not only the language, but also the keyboard layout, which is very handy if you type in multiple languages. With your new email window open, start typing your message in the selected language. Thanks to the settings you configured, Gmail now supports your typing in this language, including any special characters or accents you might need. Once your email is ready, simply click Send. And just like that, you've sent your first multilingual email. This feature is a simple and effective way to enhance your communication and connect with people across the globe. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful Gmail tutorials and digital tips.